Hey friends, it's time to do a YouTube paycheck stuffing. Ah! I'm so excited. Thank you. Thank you. This paycheck is all due to you guys, especially my members. So special shout out to anyone who is a member of my channel. I know that you choose to support me. That is a conscious choice that you make. And yeah, I'm so thankful. So yeah, let me show you the money. We're gonna just do a couple things. So this video I'm expecting to be pretty short, but the YouTube check, so today is October 21st. This is the check for September because you get paid a month behind. And so the amount was $182. So we're gonna do $82 to taxes, $80 to vacation, and $20 to Christmas. I originally was gonna do 50 and 50, but I did my budget for November, you guys, and it's a magic month. So I am putting $250 to Christmas next month. And so because I'm doing a large amount in there, you gotta move, buddy. Next month, you know, I have to bulk up vacation. So I chose to put most of it into there. So let's do taxes first. We're going to do $82 into taxes. So 50, 70, 80, 1, and 2. And let's see. I'm going to have to add this on my tracker. All right, and then let me go ahead and add it in here and see how much we have. And I really need to get going on this. I need 800 by January 15th, and October is basically over. So I might need to take some money. In fact, next month, again, because it's a magic month and I have extra, I did take some money out of that paycheck to put towards taxes, just so I could try to reach my goal. Normally, I only stuff taxes with like side hustle money. So YouTube paychecks, Etsy paychecks, but I haven't really been getting much from Etsy. So I need to make sure I get that 800. So yeah, I got to get on it. So 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 60, 75, 275, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 280. Yes. So I can go ahead and color in another one of these. This is a little freebie. It's available in my freebies link down below in my description box. This is for quarterly taxes. Each of my little poops is $100, but the one I have in the freebies link, this is blank, so you can, you know, decide on your own amount for this. If you don't pay quarterly taxes, but you like this, you could still, of course, use this. You could use this as a savings challenge. Use it for whatever you want. It's completely free. Okay, so that is done. And I am going to check that off my list as I do. Some of you said you were list makers too. And somebody, I think it was Ellie on Earth, said she likes to make lists, but she doesn't check things off. She crosses them off, which sometimes I do too, but I don't know. I just like to check. All right. So next, vacation and then Christmas. So I could just put this money right into my vacation sinking fund, but I want to do my savings challenge, and then yeah, we'll be that much closer to finishing the savings challenge, and then we can start a new one. So let's see, $80 going in here. And we have 50, 70, and 80. This is that Boo Bucks, that Halloween prop money. This is also in my freebies link. Now, I made mine sparkly, so yours obviously won't be. But this was the other pattern. So we have this like purple background and then the orange background. I showed you these in a previous video. This is what it looks like if it's not sparkly versus sparkly, so you can kind of see the difference there. But all of this is available in my freebies link. So again, if you're interested, check out my freebies link below, and you could grab it, print it out, laminate it, whatever you want to do. So $80 going in. Let me get a couple pens. All right, and 80's a lot for this, so let's see what we're gonna do. Of course, I want to try to get the big numbers. So 80. We're gonna do these 2 9s, that's $18. And let me know what's been going on. It's Monday, October 21st. You'll see this video tomorrow. We had our Halloween party finally, and it's like so much planning, so much prep, all the things, and then it's just like over. So, I mean, yeah, I'm happy it's done though, because now we could really focus on just like moving and everything else. All right, let's do this 8, 7, and 7 minus 8 minus 7 minus 7. So that's $40 left. Ooh, we might get close to finishing this, you guys. So yeah, the party was great. It was super fun. But here's what I want to know. If you have a party, an evening party, what time would you begin the party and what time would you expect people to stay till and things like that? Because I started the party at 5 and literally almost everyone was gone by 8, and I'm like, what the heck? I wanted to like drink all night, play games, like have fun, and everybody left. Now granted, a lot of my friends have young kids just as I do, so you know, kids have bedtimes, but I was just like, wow, people left so early. And then my mother-in-law and a couple people said I started the party too early. I started at 5. So tell me, what time would you start your party on a Saturday night, and what time would you expect people to stay till? Because I was like really surprised that people left so early. All right, 6 and 6 is 12. Can we finish this? I doubt it, but maybe. That would be awesome. All right, minus 12. Ooh, you guys, we might finish this today. All right, 5 and 5 is 10. If I didn't say it already, this is from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Co. It's a digital download. So we have 18. 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're finishing this, you guys. This is 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, I did not expect to finish this. Okay, yay, I'm super excited about this. So let's finish coloring this in. And then we have $2, which that's not going to work out with the next savings challenge that I wanted to start, but we're going to just do it anyway and figure it out. All right, let me just color these. I'm doing a very messy job. These Mr. Pen highlighters, I think they're called, are really cool, but they don't color nicely because the points are super blunt and not sharp at all. But it doesn't matter. Okay, yay! We finished this, you guys. So here's what I'm gonna have to do because I have $2 left over. I'm gonna have to break up this 10. So Mr. Skelly is gonna have to move out of the way. This is my prop money box, and it's tight right now because I recently did a condensing, so it's very hard to get money in and out because it's really packed full. So, all right, so we're gonna put in all of this except for $2, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with the remaining 2. So let's put this all together. So this all together should be $225. I'm so excited we finished this, you guys. I was not expecting that. All right. So 100, 150, 70, 90, 210, 215, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, 225. Yes. All right. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to grab a paper clip. All right, so I just grabbed this little rainbow one, and I'm gonna set this aside to stuff. I'll probably just stuff this maybe in like a cash stuffing, like a paycheck stuffing or something. Wow, I feel like it's been a long time since I had a finish challenge to stuff, so that makes me super happy. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start this one. So this is from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. It's actually a double-sided, and I finished this side earlier this year. But I want to try to get this done before the end of the year so that I can put this in my completed challenges and have both sides done. So this is $175, and it's all increments of 5, as you can see. And so we only have $2, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to color it anyway, and then I'm just going to give myself an IOU for 3. and I feel good about that. So we got our first 5 colored. I like how it's all 5s, which are low, but it's going to add up to a nice amount. So I'm going to put that in here, and let me grab an IOU. Let's use this Ghost because it's definitely very appropriate. And so we have an IOU of 3. Let me actually not forget to put the money in here, $2 to start it off. And then I am going to grab a paper clip and clip this on. Normally I would stick this right in the envelope, but because this you can't see through this envelope, I don't want to forget that there's an IOU. So let's see, I have this little music note here. And we will clip it on, and there we go. Boom. All right. Checking things off our list. Last but not least, we have just $20 to go into the Christmas binder. And again, it's not a lot, but it's something. Okay, I already know, ooh, I have an IOU. I'm not gonna pay that today. I already know I want to go to Liz's challenges in the back here because these two, especially Nigel's nuts, I have a long way to go. I wanna see if there's a 10 on this. There is. So this is Hide the Sausage from Liz and Les. This is a super OG. So I don't even know if this is available anymore, but we have just $15 to go now after this. And then we will be able to put on our sticker that said, I hid the sausage. So let's grab one of these 10s and put it in here. And so now we have 50, 65. And then last but not least, I want to go here to Nigel's nuts. Again, I have a lot to do on this yet. And so I want to put a nut on here. So each of these nuts is $10, and then when it's finished, it'll be $150. Boom, boom, and we have $60 here. And so we still have $30, $60, $90 in this one. So yeah, we got a long way to go. But we are, oh wait, wrong envelope. Okay. We are making progress in this Christmas binder, you guys. So I have those 2 challenges. I have, let's see, 2 more scratches on Mama Bear's challenge, and then just my Black Friday challenge, which this one is sort of optional. So we are really getting there. And again, I'm putting $250 in next month. I hope to finish all of these challenges out, and then if I have extra, put it towards this, and then that's going to be it. Whatever I save by the end of next month, that's it. And then I'm going to start my Festive and Feisty to start saving for Christmas of 2025. I already started shopping for this year. I bought a few things after Prime Day because there were savings. There were like $10 coupons and things like that that I found. So I bought a few things, just like a couple. So yeah, we're on our way to Christmas, you guys. And okay, now that the Halloween party is over, I really want to put up the Christmas tree. But the basement is like such a work in progress that our like crawl space at the new house where all of our decorations are, it's sort of like that area is kind of blocked off right now because of the like construction. So I don't know when I'll be able to get in there and actually get to my decorations, but hopefully it will be soon because yes, it is October 21st, and yes, I am itching to put up the Christmas tree. Let me know if you are. Also, let me know, did you catch any of the Hallmark movies over the weekend? I started the first one. I only watched about half, but it's going to be, it's on, baby. It's just on. It's Christmas time. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's joyous. I love it so much. And Steph, Mama Bear, if you're watching this, I know you love Christmas too. So let me know, are you watching the Hallmark movies and are you feeling festive? Okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you once again for all of your support. Again, this would not be possible without you. So I am just so incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you have an amazing day. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.